Hello. So what is this pi thing anyway? Let's start simple. Here is a line. It has a length of r. Now, to turn this into a square. I do like squares. First we need to multiply this line by 4. Then we arrange the lines, so that the boundary is exactly 4 times its width and height. Anything else, and it's not a square. In other words, the circumference of a square, divided by its height or width, is always 4. We now have a square, with a height and a width of r. This makes the area of our square, r times r. Now let's take this square, and multiply it by 4. This gives us a bigger square. And I like big squares even more. The area of our big square is 4r squared. Consider 4 as the pi value for a square. Now, let us draw a circle inside, with a radius of r. We can see that its area is less than 4r squared. In fact, it looks about 3 and a bit. But there's a better word for this. It's called pi. So our circle has an area of pi r squared. Fantastic. So what is pi exactly? Just like the factor 4 of our square, the 3 and a bit factor of our circle represents the number of square quadrants that would fit in it. This factor also represents the ratio of the circumference to the width of these shapes. We could write pi r squared in these terms. So, pi is the circumference of a circle, divided by its diameter. This is also the simplest way to calculate pi. Find an object that is a perfect circle. Measure the circumference and diameter with a piece of string. The relationship between these two numbers will give you pi. Pi is not an infinite number. It's not even big. It's 3.14 something. But it does go on forever, like I do sometimes. Maybe, if a circle was a square, it would have about 3.14 sides. I think I'm starting to like circles now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye.